We are spending the weekend visiting Joshua Tree National Park. So if you're wondering why this clip has no music or soundtrack, it's because it's our Babymoon weekend, and we are enjoying every bit of quiet. For the most part, we're just hanging out. Though yesterday, we drove out to a spot near the park to feed some llamas, which was a different but really cool experience.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
They're so cute. Hi.
Good morning, llamas.
Sniff it, but they're not going to knock it off. That's Coco.
Hi, Coco.
Hi, Coco. I'm just staying still.
But he's very interested in you.
Okay, have it.
There you go. You're so soft. She says, my name's Mama. Nothing about them other than a little bit.
Oh, Coco is so good.
I've had them for 8 years.
Now, if you weren't expecting private llama feeding as one of our top Babymoon activities, well, I didn't either. But hanging out with these soft, furry friends was a real treat, considering we haven't really been able to hang out with anybody these last 9 months. We spent some time driving through the park and made our way to the Cholla Cactus Garden. The scenes are beautiful here, and if you ever get the chance, don't pass up on the opportunity to spend time in this beautiful desert. All right, so we got out of the car just to do a short hike, and we made it to Spark Rock, which is apparently a really signature Joshua Tree spot.
Go eat.
I wanted to share 2 quick ways that I am preparing to become a good father. And the first one is this thing right here. This is my pocket journal. This thing has been on my desk and has been just an arm's reach away. And I write in it as much as I can. And I've been writing everything that I've been feeling and thinking. There have been really good internal conversations that have come out of this, and I hope to do more. The second thing I am doing to prepare on becoming a dad is, you can't see it now, so I'll have to show it on my GoPro, is I actually am using a new lens. This is a Lumix 12 by 35. This one's actually a lented lens, but lented. This is actually a rented lens that I am preparing to buy. What's next for me is a more dynamic lens that can accomplish some better angles and lighting and story, both for video and for photo. I'm not well versed in photography, but I am becoming more and more excited about having a little one to tell stories with and share moments with. That paired with the journal has been just two great ways that have been just calming for me. All right, so we're here at the Keys View, which is, I think, the highest point here in Joshua Tree. But right when we pulled up and drove once around, Leezel's timing was perfect because we found a spot like right here. So we're just gonna chill up here for about an hour and a half. We've got some hot tea and just relax and watch the sunset. Cheers. We're just a few weeks out, and I want to thank everybody for your thoughtful prayers, your well wishes, and your good thoughts. Until our next video, my name is Angelo, and thanks for watching.